Hey, thanks for joining us today on the Anything Goes project. Today I've got two products that were actually sent to me to review and check out and actually show you my audience. Now, I know I've got a lot of my audience that are cigar connoisseurs. They love their cigars. And so I've shown over the past a lot of different lighters, cigars, different cigar cutters, humidors and stuff. Well, this company teamed up with us and they decided they wanted to actually send us a bunch of things to show you, the viewers, and give you an idea of what kind of products they have in store for you. So there we go. There's the company. Man, they've got a ton of nice products. So they sent us two humidors. These are both carbon fiber humidors. One is a little bit smaller than the other one. And so we're going to go ahead and unbox both of them and show them to you so you can actually have an idea of what kind of cigar humidors they have, and maybe one of these would actually suit your purposes there in your home or office. Okay, so first up, we're going to go with the smaller version of the humidor. And so we'll go ahead and slide this box right out of the way. And this is our unboxing of it. Oh, we had that upside down. So they come very well packaged, so you're not going to have to worry about any damage getting done to the humidor. Let's take this box and get it out of the way. And let's take this out right here. So this is what we have. Look at that. Carbon fiber design. Got your little meter right here to measure your humidity level inside of this. Carbon fiber, and the inside of the box is cedar. This is actually pretty awesome. So let's look at everything that they provide you in this particular little kit, because this is literally a humidor kit. So the first thing you've got is they're going to be sending you your propylene glycol solution that you can mix with your distilled water to put inside of this little dude right here, which is your humidifier. This actually creates the humidity inside of your humidor. It's a real simple process. If you've never used one before, it's literally you mix your propylene glycol with your distilled water. You just drip it in there and get a little bit of moisture on the inside of this, set it in the inside of your case, and it actually starts producing the humidity that you need for your cigars. You want to keep your cigars, depending on where you live, anywhere from 55 to 70% humidity. Where I live at, 70% humidity is a little too much, so we keep ours right at about 55, 60, and the cigars always come out beautiful. So the next thing that we see is this really cool ashtray. Now this is an aluminum ashtray. It's got their little company logo on the inside. That's actually really cool. Man, that's nice. Got your nice little channel here to lay your cigar. So it doesn't matter what size cigar you're using, it's a big enough channel for it. So put that there. And it comes with this. It's got the little plastic on it. Oh, that's actually really cool. I didn't notice that until just now. It's got a laser engraving of their company logo on it, on both pieces. So let's see what this one looks like. Peel off the plastic, and need to get the plastic off of this side too. Get that nice clear look on it. Oh, that is pretty. Look at that. So let me get the clear plastic off of this other one too. So, got the plastic off. What these are, they interlock together like this. And now you've got a little X. It's got the little company logo on it. Now this is to set your cigar on. It's just a little bitty stand that you can set your cigar on. If it's unlit and you just want to keep it up off of the table, you just set it down, set your cigar on it, it's up off of the table. When your cigar is lit and you're producing ash, that's why you've got this really cool ashtray. So that's this. Now, the final thing that they provide you in this kit is a really nice cigar cutter. All these kits that I've gotten from them have been amazing. Oh, yeah. Nice little cigar cutter. Let me look at it. That is razor sharp on both sides. That is going to have no issues cutting the end off of your cigar. Now, once you have all of this out of the kit, you'll notice that there's this little foam insert in here. Well, that can now come out. And now you can do whatever you want to with this foam insert. You can toss it to the side, throw it away, hang on to it if you want to in the box. But now your humidor is set up ready to accept cigars. You can put your cigars in there. Your little humidifier, it comes with a little 3M sticky pad that's got Velcro on it so you can take it off. So you can stick this anywhere you want on the inside of this case. There is a divider that is in there. So what I like to do usually is I take my divider and just put it like that, and I have my humidifier off to the side. So as you can see, like that. It keeps the humidifier off of the cigars in a way, and then you still have this whole open area to lay your cigars. Now, as a glass top, that's one of the things I really like about this particular humidor. I've got another one that they sent me that's done all in piano lacquer finish, kind of marbleized with a wood and beige lacquer finish, a piano lacquer. And it doesn't have the actual window so you can see into it. This does have the window. It's going to allow you to see your little precious cigars if that's what you want to have in it. I've got several types of cigars I keep in mind. I've got everything from big Cubans to the smaller little cheroot style. So, okay, so that's everything that was in this case. Now, I don't want to lose this little 3M pad, so I'm going to put this back in here. I'm going to get these off of the table. Now we're going to look at the large version. And then I will show them side by side so you can actually see the size difference in them. Now, there we go. Unboxing again. That is nice. I like this. All right, that's what we've got in this one right here. Check it out. Let's pop this open and let's take a look at it. Now, as you can see already, the size comparison size. Notice how one is a little smaller than the other? This is the smaller one, and we're looking at the bigger one. So this bigger one does have a larger humidifier in it. Let's open this up. You can see it. This one does have a larger humidifier in it because this is going to hold a lot more cigars. More capacity and space means that you need more humidity inside of the container. Also comes with a bottle of propylene glycol. And this kit even comes with a cigar ashtray. So that's actually pretty cool. Also comes with this cigar cutter, just like the other one. So we can put this off to the side. So as you can see here, another great deal right there. Good cigar cutter, good ashtray. And again, this one comes with the little stand that you're actually going to put together for your cigar holder. And I actually do have a cigar here to show you. So there you go. Now we can go ahead and pull this styrofoam out, and it comes with a lot of padding in this one so that way you don't get anything damaged. And again, you're going to see right now that this particular box is all cedar on the inside. It's got the carbon fiber wrapping on it. This is just an amazing piece. I love the way these things look. I love the fact that the hydrometers are on top so where you can actually see them, because I've seen a lot of humidors that actually have the hydrometers on the inside, which means you have to open it. And by opening it, you're releasing your humidity. This way you don't have to do that. You can actually walk by it and actually see if your humidity is where it needs to be. And if it's not, you can either remove the hydration piece, or you can add more fluid to it to get your hydration and your humidity where you want it at. So this is actually really cool. I love the way these things look. Again, let's look at them side by side. So that's side by side. Both beautiful humidors. They would look amazing in your man cave. So like I said, we've got a lot of products that are going to be coming from this company right now. And you know what? I think next week we're going to be showing a different product. Yeah. Look at this. Get that out of the way. And you like your cigars? I love cigars. Cigars are just something that I just really enjoy partaking in. So on the next episode or the next video that I'm going to be releasing, I'm going to be showing you some of their custom lighters that they have. Be surprised at the quality of these. These are truly luxury cigar lighters. So if you liked what you saw today on the video, go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit that like, share it, and we'll get back with you guys next week. So see you guys later. Love having a good cigar.